justice crack! Free justice crack! Thank you. Free justice crack! Free justice crack! Free justice crack!
Don't worry, you'll be back.
Looking dry! Justice! No! Justice! Who's best? Free justice, Who's best? Nigerians are not angry enough! Nigerians are not angry enough!
He's not a thief! He's not a criminal! 7 vehicles to carry 1 person! 7 vehicles to carry 1 person!
Nigerians shame of their
You're not ready for us! We come defense ministry! Keep your weapons! We are coming to defense ministry!
This is just the beginning, we are coming out! He's not a criminal! Only because he speaks truth to power! And there's right of freedom of expression in this country! So the intimidation is too much! No to oppression! Enough is enough! Enough is enough! Justice has dried up! What has he done? He's not a criminal! Justice is not a criminal! We are going to free justice! Bring attention! Come out! Nigeria youth, come out! Justice Clark is not a criminal! He is not a criminal! He is not a criminal! Free Justice Clark! Let's follow them. Let's follow them to